Good evening. Welcome to Thursday. You hear that little tinge of happiness in my voice? That is the sound of someone who has had 4.5 days off, worked 3 days, and has another 4 days off. Yeah, it's a good one. I got beady eyes over here I'm watching. It doesn't focus well, but they're over there. 2 of them. So the place is destroyed, and I've got 4 days to clean this up and get my crap together, as they say. Well, we'll see what happens. I've had 51 years. I still haven't got my crap together. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, I'm in a super good mood. I don't know why. Hi, ladies. You guys ready for some treats? There's my beautiful ladies, Rocket and Fruit Loop. These are my, I'm not going to say too loud because the girls are listening, but these are kind of my favorites. They give them a little extra. She's supposed to be a bantam, and turns out to be a full size. The lady that was helping me, I did not know what she was doing, but I don't know. I'm okay with it. Beautiful girls. Got Mr. Richard Cranium over here. Give him a little sprinkle. It's not that cold tonight, so I'm not giving him as much, but I'm giving him some. Got my audience over here, my fanfare. A bunch of beautiful girls. Okay, make a hole. You know the routine. I know this is the first night getting treats. Make a hole. Let's go. I don't want to step on. Move your butt. Thank you. They act like they are starving, but yet they got a feeder there, a feeder over there. They got a feeder here. They got a waterer here, but they're starving. These are my little piglets, and I love them dearly. You know, the one thing I like to do, and I've been doing this lately, is I'll throw some up here because the girls don't really see me doing it. But the one who gets up here and finds it gets the snack out. So, hey, guess what? Chicken butt! I love these girls. These are my sanity. I mean, yeah, I've had it easy the last couple of weeks, but man, it's still rough. It's mentally rough. But I come home to these guys, and I'll come in here and sit for half an hour, have a beer with them, and I don't care what's going on in the world. Life is good. Life is so good. So we are getting close, 48 hours from going up to Fall City and picking up 8 more residents of this coop. And it's going to be tricky bringing them in and getting them acclimated because I don't have a pen to hold 8 for quarantine. But the place that I get them from does. So it's going to be a Hail Mary, but I'm going to do it right and make sure they're good. So just thought I'd share my night with you guys. You guys stay safe. Have an amazing, amazing weekend.